Iqembu i-African Movement Congress lethemba ukuthi ke lizozibhulela amahlanga kulolu khetho lwangolwesithathu oluzayo. Umholi we-ANC uRoy Moodley ufunga uyagomela ke ukuthi uzoyisombulula inzukazi ke yokuntuleka kwamanzi. Phela lo mphakathi uthi amanzi asaphenduka abakhwekazi.
It's going over 9 months. We haven't had water. I'm saying it for the past 34 years. This is the first year we are suffering. We are really, really suffering. Sometimes the tanker don't even come up here.
uMoodley uthi uzoletha ongoti abazoyisombulula lenkanankana.
We got the solution. That solution now is being tested at TUT, Tshwane University of Technology. And that is what we want to introduce to all the rural areas, hospitals and clinic, where the water that we're getting tested at the moment is much purer than the normal water.
Ezindabeni zethu ku Channel 163 olethelwa iNewsroom Africa ngenguntando Mnyandu eVerulam enyakatho yeTheku.